Hello everyone, James here. In this video we're going to go ahead and learn how to use Etherdelta. Etherdelta as a decentralized exchange built on top of Ethereum. It is available for ERC20 tokens. For any tokens which were built on top of Ethereum network, it's available on Etherdelta. It's kind of hard to use it, but once you get hold of it, you will love it. It's kind of like a gold mine. You can find some really good coins and make really good money. So that's why I'm trying to teach it to you, so you learn it and you go ahead and make a lot of money on this platform. So first thing first, make sure you're on Chrome browser, because Etherdelta does not work with Safari. First time when I use it, it was with Safari and I didn't get anything. And I'm like, okay, this website is broken. So make sure you're on Chrome web browser. Another thing that you need to do is install a Chrome extension MetaMask, which I use with my Ether wallet. If you don't know how to do that, go ahead. I have a video for that. You can watch that first. Install MetaMask, which is a safer way to use Etherdelta. You probably don't know. If you know, it was a couple of weeks ago, Etherdelta was hacked and a lot of people's private keys were published, and the hackers stole a lot of money from those individuals, and I feel really bad for them, and I don't want such thing happen to any of us. So that's why I recommend using MetaMask for everyone. Something secure, something safe. The cool thing about MetaMask is that Etherdelta is not holding your private key. You're the only owner of your private key. So as you can see, I'm already logged in. That's my MetaMask. This would be like copy address. That will be my public key. If I want to send money to my Ether wallet, I will do it through that. I will just send it there, and I'll show right here. As you can see, I have little Ether left, and it tells me like, hey, I'm using MetaMask. However, if you want to create a new account, the way you do that, you just go here and you create a new account, and that way it will create for you a new account. It will give you your private key, which you will save, and you can log in with that. Right here, you can set gas prices. If you want to change gas prices to different price, you can do that through there. With ours. If I want to forget this account, I can do that. That's EtherScan address. So that's my public address. It basically tells me everything about my wallet, like what I've been doing with it. So that will be right here, right there, and my EtherScan. This is my public key right here. Like I said, you could also copy through that. So make sure you are on etherdelta.com, not some phishing website. Bookmark this, star it, whatever works for you. Make sure this is the website you go. When you go to etherdelta.com, for some reason you get defaulted to this token PPT. So that would be Etherdelta. So let's get started. So in this part right here, that's where your wallet information is. This would be like, you see, this is your wallet. This is my Ether wallet. That's the information from there. Like it says, like I have 0 coins on there, and I have that many Ether on my Ether wallet. Right here is Etherdelta information. It says that I have 0 tokens and I have 0.080 Ether in my wallet. So that's how much I have to buy something. So that would be your wallet. So if you want to deposit tokens from your wallet to Etherdelta, you just click on that and you put the token number, whatever number you have, and you'll click deposit. And if you want to withdraw, your tokens, you do the same thing. You put 10 and you click withdraw, and it will withdraw from Etherdelta back to your wallet. Same thing with Ether. If you want to deposit your Ether from your wallet to Etherdelta. You just put the number of Ether, for example 1, and you click deposit, and it will deposit for you. It will take some time because of the Ethereum. It's a Ethereum contract, so you have to wait for the confirmation to go through. Then you will get it here. If you want to withdraw your Ether, you do the same thing. You just put 1 Ether, you click withdraw, then you will sign for the contract to go through, and then you wait, because it's again you need to get confirmation for it to get that. If you want to transfer your tokens, you just put the amount of tokens, you put the address for the token, and you click transfer. Then it will ask you to sign for that contract, and that's it. Then you transfer it to wherever address you want. Same thing if you want to send your Ether somewhere else, you just put the number, you put their address to that destination, and you click transfer. Again, you will sign, and it will go to destination after confirmation, of course. So here we have the volume. You can go through like, hey, which coin has the biggest volume right now and what's the price. It will keep, basically this area will keep you in the loop. Right here we have buy and sell. So this is the sell orders, this is the buy orders. If you want to buy something, that's the price right now. The way I do it, I usually just copy it and paste it right here and put the number and click buy. If you want to sell it, the same thing. You want to sell whatever price you want, you just click, copy, put the price down, amount, and click sell. So I will do a live one so you know how to do that. So as far as this is the charting goes, like here what's going on is going down, it's going up. As you can see, this coin is going down. This is the depth, like okay, these are the people want to sell, and these are the people that want to buy. And this is like the order books that went through. Right here, this is the notice you get from Etherdelta. This is your trades. If you have any trades, it will show right here. This is your orders. If you had any open order, it will show right here. And this is your funds, like how much you had, how much you transferred to Etherdelta. So that's about it. And let's go actually do a live one. So let's say I want to buy 10 million tokens, right? There's two ways you can buy. You can buy at this price, for example. You just copy and paste, right? And I want to buy 10, which is actually, it's only 1 cent, so that would be 10 cents. If I want to buy 100, that would be $10. 20, let's do 50. So that would be we want to buy, we don't want to sell, we don't have anything to sell. So if I want to buy, I can just put the price right here. I usually copy, that's the faster way, and put the number of tokens I want to buy. If I want to buy 100, that will be $1 right there. So that's the amount of Ether I need to spend to buy that. But let's do 50. Then you click buy, this window pops up, you sign for it, and your order send is like, hey, please wait for your order confirmation. And I already have one order, so this is the second order just popped up. Hey, I want 50, and that will be my order right here. That's it. If I want to cancel it, I can cancel it, but I have to pay gas price for it. Like let's say I click cancel, you have to wait forever for Etherdelta. I usually refresh, but yeah, so this will pop up like, hey, you want to cancel that, you have to pay this much gas, and you click submit if you want to cancel it. In my case, I don't want to cancel it, so I reject this. So if I want to sell, since I don't have any of that token, let's go sell something else. So I have blue. As you can see, blue is in my Ether wallet, Etherdelta wallet, not on my Ether wallet. And I believe I just create a contract for this. We can do blue. Let's do something else because I'm transferring blue to my wallet. Let's find something else. So I have cup in my wallet, which we will find it right here. I have 300. Like let's sell one of them, right? So what I can do, I can just click, can copy the price, put the price down, and let's say sell one. If I want to sell it, I will just click that, and it will tell me to sign for it, and I sign, and that's it. This order will go right here soon. Like I said, Etherdelta is really slow. So my order will show up right here at some point. So that's as far as buying and selling. Another way you can buy and sell, which is I found it really easy and super fast, especially when the price is moving really fast and you want to buy it right away. It's like, let's say if you want to buy that, you can just buy that 6, you can just click and you can say like, okay, I want to buy that, and you click buy, and you will wait for confirmation that you want to sign for it, and this will come up and you can just sign for it. So what basically happening, you're buying that, you want to buy that contract, and your order will go through. Same thing if you want to, if the market is moving fast and you want to sell something really fast, you can just click on that contract and sell it, and it will happen the same thing. So I find that really useful, really whenever the price is moving fast to buy and sell. So as far as like the name goes, the names are right here, and it's really hard to know which coin is which. I use CoinMarketCap to know which coin is which name is like which coin. So that's where CoinMarketCap comes handy. So what you can do, you can just find a coin which is traded in VChain, for example. It's traded on Etherdelta. Find Etherdelta market, like right here. And as you can see, these are all the coins that are on Etherdelta. Another way you can do, whenever they add new coin to Etherdelta, you can scan this and you see some coin new. You know, like, okay, this coin is new. Like, for example, Lambden was released the other day and I caught it. You can just click on that and it will take you automatically to that coin. You see, I'm at that coin and I have 250 of it. So that's another helpful way to use CoinMarketCap with Etherdelta to stay ahead, to stay aware of what's going on in the market. Another tool that I'm using with Etherdelta is this website called Delta Balance. Some guy made it. If you're using it, make sure to send this guy. I think here is his address for a beer. Buy him a beer, basically, if you find this website useful. So what's happening here will tell you like, hey, which tokens you have and how much you have. You just put your public address right here and it will tell you all the information about your Etherdelta wallet, which is really cool, really helpful. And it also tells you like how much is the price of that wallet. So I use this a lot it helps me with Etherdelta. So that's about it. That's Etherdelta. With whether you use CoinMarketCap, Delta Balance, stay ahead, trade happily, make a lot of money, and be happy. And thank you. I will see you next time.